So this is the two way to split screen on Oppo A3x. So in the first way, you can open the apps. Maybe you want to make a split screen on TikTok apps. You can open the TikTok app for the first step, and then you can tap on raise up. You can select on the three dot, tap on it, and you can tap the split screen. And after that, you can open the another app. What do you want? Maybe you want to open the YouTube apps. Okay, just like this for the step 1 to split screen, and the step 2 you can do that, and the step 2 you can do like this. Follow the step. Okay, you can open the app. What do you want to split screen? Maybe TikTok again, and you can do swipe up with 3 fingers like this. Swipe like this, and now you can open the another app. What do you want to split screen? Maybe Facebook app. Okay, just like this. And if you want to enable the feature to do swipe 3 finger to open the split screen, you can enable on the setting, and then you can tap on special feature, and next on split view, and you can enable on this option, swipe up 3 finger to enter split view. You can enable this feature, so you can make a split screen easily. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.